It's me, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, bringing you guys another Amazon find wig review. And this is actually coming from the Kalyss company. And yes, they are from Amazon, and we have tamed up to bring you guys this wonderful wig review. So let's go on and get started on this review. So as you can tell, she is quite lengthy. Honestly, I think this is about 30 to 40 inches of hair. And when I say she is long, she is a pretty lengthy. Like, hold on, let's see if you guys can get the full length of her. She's long. Like, she's definitely wasted. I got her, honestly, I'll have the link down below because it's kind of hard to explain it. Like, she doesn't have a name, but she is definitely body wave. She is long. She is definitely waistlet. Like, she is literally cascading down my body as we speak right now. This is the package that it comes in. It all black. It was actually really sealed off, so that's actually a plus and very sanitized worthy. Oh, this is even better. I just paid attention. It is their 31-inch, 100% synthetic, but you are able to put a little bit of heat to this one. And it's a lace frontal wig. So that's a plus. It's 31 inches. So 31 inches of pure synthetic goodness from Amazon. And honestly, I'm not gonna lie to you, like, it does. Okay, so this is the thing. I wouldn't say that this is just a wig that I would just wear all the time, but if I know I'm going somewhere and I want to feel extra gaudy, or I feel just really being extra that day, I would actually pull this off and put this on. Like I said, it's a different type of synthetic. Like, there's all different types of synthetics that are out there, but it's a different type of synthetic. The only thing that does suck about this unit is the ends. The ends will get a little tangly on you. But I definitely feel like that's easy to fix. Like, I actually might do a video of me trying to cut this, because I feel like if I cut most of this off, I think she would actually give me really dope vibes, because I actually like the way the wig looks. It's very pretty, curly, wavy. I actually like the unit. There are two combs in the front, a comb in the back, along with adjustable straps. It does have the hairline. I didn't make baby hair because I was just doing the review. I wasn't actually wearing this unit out right now. And it is a center part unit, which I am going to go through, pluck that out a little bit more, flatten it, and we're probably going to come back on a update. So you are hearing this now. I will do an update on this unit just to see how well it did. And like I said, this is one of the few synthetic wigs that I have gotten from Amazon, just to test out some things, see what's new out there. But so far so good. I like it. I like the way it, shapes my face. When I first got it, it was way curlier than this. All I did was just brush it out with a detangling brush and went on about my day. Like I said, I'm probably going to end up cutting this unit, but I do like the length of it. I wish the ends weren't so tangly, but other than that, I actually like the unit. She's a great party wig, especially during the wintertime, because, honey, let me tell you, she is actually heavy. When I say this is a lot of hair, this is a lot of hair, and she's heavy. But if you guys like heavy hair and thick hair during the wintertime to keep you nice, cozy, and warm in your sweaters and everything, definitely hit up this company. Hit that link down below and cop this unit. If this video is informative and to you guys like it, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Also, hit that bell at the top to be notified when I, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, drops another video. And until we meet again, my Tame Raiders, bye!